Hello, today we're going to show you how to set up the Cognituv Connect system. When you receive your box, you want to take out all the items from it. The first thing that we'll do is put on the antenna of the gateway and plug in the gateway. Then connect an Ethernet cable to the back port. Wait for the red light and the other green lights to come on. And now you'll notice in your dashboard a green check mark. Do this with the other sensors. This one is the UVC sensor. Simply hold the button down, wait for it to flash, and turn blue. And again, confirm in your dashboard that it works. This is the energy monitor. Give it a few minutes to charge, but it's self-powering once you attach it to the cable. The IAQ monitor is unboxed and powered up with an unscrew of the back. It also runs on batteries. Your choice. The batteries last up to a year. Once you've got it fully charged and are ready to turn on, hold and press the top button down for about 3 seconds. Now you should see indicating all of green arrows that your system is connected. Thank you.